Preview.
Hello friends, today we are going to draw once again from Pokemon Sword and Shield. This is gonna be drawing of Score Bunny.
Score Bunny.
Yes, Score Bunny. It's gonna be a very easy drawing. You just need to follow us, pause the drawing wherever you want to, and have lots of fun while you draw.
And
What do they need?
Black sketch pen, pencils,
And
white paper and some colors.
so let's get started.
It's a very easy coloring.
Okay, now we start with making a small rectangle. Okay, in the center of the page,
Not a rectangle. Oh, yeah.
and then a nose, and the laughing face of the Score Bunny.
But it looks a little weird.
Yes. Okay, are you following us till here? Now the eyes. Okay. Yeah. And then from right here where the eyes end on both the sides, we start it once again. We take it over here till where the eyes end. So the place that we have left is for the ears. Okay, small ones, not very big. And the same as this side, and then
I'm not able to
it's okay, whatever you make it made. Yeah. Okay. Now the big rabbit kind of ears.
It's called a Score Bunny.
Yeah, the bunny ears now. The big bunny ears. Yes.
Yes.
Everything good till here? Are you guys following us? Yes, I know you are. So this is done till here. Let's continue with the body. It's gonna be like this and this. This is gonna be the hands of the bunny. Okay. Okay. You're done till here? Now the legs. How are the legs? Very easy. Okay, yes. Similarly on this side, a little. Yeah. We're done till here. The neck. And our Score Bunny is almost ready. Are you done, Parikshet?
Almost.
Very good. Ooh, I'm done with my drawing of Score Bunny. Let's get.
I made a little bigger one.
It's okay. Now come on, keep it here. Let's quickly color it. You just follow me, okay, Parikshet? It's not gonna be a lot of colors, but we'll just be coloring it quickly. You use the blue color. And we are done with this drawing of the Score Bunny from Pokemon from Sword and Shield. Are you done with the drawing? This was an amazing drawing, right? A very easy one. Did you guys do it? If yes, then do not forget to share with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub so that Parikshet can see your drawings and share some amazing goodies with you. Yes? Cool.
Yes.
Awesome. How was it? Had fun? Let's see you in the another video. Until then, have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.